Yo, what's up guys, it's me Myro, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing Magnum Double Salted Caramel Ice Cream. I have seen maybe like 100 commercials on YouTube of this ice cream, so I had to buy it and try it. Magnum is one of my favorite ice creams, so let's see if this lives up to the standards. Okay, so this is kind of special ice cream because you have to crack it, press to crack. So I guess we open it first. Let's take the lid off. Folio. Open, wait 10 minutes, and then you crack it. Okay. Ooh, so you see, you open ice cream, but it's not actually ice cream. There's this chocolate cover. Let's try to press on the sides and see what we get. Ooh, did you guys see that? Oh, that was hard. I didn't see it, but I'm gonna see it in the video later. But okay, look at that, guys. Ooh, looks so good. Let's taste this chocolate first. Oh, they have the sauce here too. That is the classic Magnum chocolate flavor. Really good. Time to dig in. Ooh, look at this. Here we go. I like salted ice cream a lot. It's like sweetness, salt, perfect combination, blended together. Really good. So let's see if there's something else here. This is really good. Let's take another one of these. This was the best part. Chocolate. Every time when I buy Magnum ice cream, the chocolate cover is the best. And same with this one. They even sell this just a chocolate in bars somewhere. I have seen them in stores and it's really good. Made by Unilever. It's a great company. They focus like on the social issues and global warming. They make green products. It's a responsible company, so to say. Let's see the values. Protein 3.8 per 100. Sugar 29 per 100. So it's not as unhealthy. Sometimes ice cream goes as high as like 50 or 60 grams of sugar, but this is only 29. So that's really good. They have fat, 19 grams. I guess that comes from the caramel sauce. Take a look at yourself. Pause the video. Let's see what. Ooh! I found something. Look. I thought it was just gonna be ice cream all the way down, but they actually have more of this chocolate in the bottom and on the sides too. Nice. Let's taste it. Look. More chocolate on the sides and in the bottom. This is really good. Mm. Yep, it goes all the way down. Magnum double salted caramel. One of the best ice creams I have ever tasted in my life. I'm really glad that they put so many of the commercials on YouTube, because otherwise I won't have seen this product. Good marketing. Good marketing. Let's give it a rating. This is definitely not 10 out of 10, but close. It's 9 out of 10. And the reason I would have given it 10 out of 10 is it could have, what is missing in my opinion is a little small chocolate balls or chocolate like inside the ice cream, so when you eat it, it will be crunchy at the same time. Or maybe even like a peanuts, salted caramel with peanut, and so it will be like crunchy and ice cream at the same time. That's what I would really like to see. But I really love how they have this chocolate pieces inside, but they're big, but I wish they would be smaller so you can get them with every bite. Now you don't get it with every bite. They come like in a big chunks. But yeah, one of the best I ever tasted in my life. Definitely would recommend this to everybody. The price wasn't even that bad, to be honest, for premium ice cream. For premium ice cream, usually you have to pay a lot more, like Ben & Jerry's. This is much better than Ben & Jerry's, and it was much cheaper. But yeah, 9 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and go buy this ice cream. It's really good. Make sure to subscribe my main channel here. Videos here, more videos here. Thank you for watching.